we are back with Lake Pleasant Cruises and Katelyn Finney, and let's just talk details when it comes to the tours. What are they all about?
Well, we offer quite a variety of cruises. We have sightseeing cruises, sunset dinner cruises, live music cruises, and special events out here at the lake. We also rent out the boat for private events.
And I know too you can learn a lot about Arizona and the area of the land on the Narration Cruise. So what exactly does that explore?
Yeah, our captain does an amazing commentary about the history of Lake Pleasant, the wildlife, the plant life, and the state of Arizona as well. And guests can typically see wild burro or wild donkeys, mule deer, blue heron, and other wildlife on our cruises.
And you do offer a wide variety of different types of cruises. Take me through what the dinner and music cruise is all about.
Yeah, both of those cruises are 2 hours and are scheduled around sunset. The sunsets out here at Lake Pleasant are absolutely breathtaking, very memorable. They also include live music by local artists, and we have a full service bar available.
And are food and drink available for all tours?
Yes, we have snacks and a full service bar available on all of our cruises.
What do you think is the biggest draw to these tours? If someone's watching at home wondering, why do I want to come out to Lake Pleasant, what would you tell them?
It's beautiful out here during the day, during the sunset, anytime. It's just a great way to get out on the water, get out of the city, and just experience something new.
Do you recommend that people get reservations, or how should they go about getting tickets?
Reservations are definitely recommended. You can make reservations, book online, find our cruise schedule at lakepleasantcruises.com.
And with the holiday season, do you offer any special cruises during the month of December?
We'll have dinner cruises and sightseeing cruises available throughout December. This also makes a great gift for the holidays for family, friends. Give them an experience, not another thing to put on their shelf is what I would say.
A great idea. Thank you so much for showing us around Lake Pleasant Cruises. You can find all the information at their website. Katelyn Finney, have a great day and a great holiday.
Thanks for coming out.